Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this simple but elegant Christmas ball. This ball is quick and easy to make. It consists of 10 rounds. 9 of those rounds are identical and only the last one is a little different. The diameter of this ball is 3.5 inches. And I made it using this cotton crochet thread size 10 with the hook that is almost 2 millimeters, 1.95 millimeters. We'll start crocheting with the magic ring, in which we'll make 20 double crochet stitches. Between each stitch there will be chain 5. To make a magic ring, hold the end of the thread and wrap the thread around your fingers, crisscross, and pull the second thread to the front, make the first stitch. So here we have a magic ring. Now we'll make chain 3 as the first double crochet and chain 5 for separation. Now double crochet stitch in the magic ring and chain 5. Another double crochet, chain 5. One more double crochet, chain 5. This will be number 5, chain 5, and continue like this, making double crochet stitches in the magic ring. I will do the same and then I will show how to continue. So here we are at the end of the first round now. I have made 20 double crochets, but I have not made those last 5 chains because for the purpose of this pattern, we should not find ourselves here at the end of the chain. We should be in the middle. To do that, we will make just chain 2, and then I will make a double crochet in this third chain that we made at the beginning of this round. And now we found ourselves here in the middle of the chain, of chain 5. And we'll continue with the same pattern. So we'll start with chain 3 and then chain 5 for separation, 8 altogether. A double crochet here in the middle of chain 5, chain 5, a double crochet in the middle of chain 5, chain 5, a double crochet in the middle, chain 5, and continue like this until the end of the round. And now I am at the end of the second round, and once again, after I made the last double crochet, instead of chain 5 I am making chain 2 and a double crochet in the third chain that we made at the beginning of the round. So we have made 2 rounds. The next 7 rounds are absolutely the same. A double crochet, chain 5, a double crochet in the middle of chain 5, chain 5, a double crochet in the middle, and so on. continue working like this. Do not forget that at the end, instead of chain 5, we will need to make chain 2, like we did here, and a double crochet stitch in the 3rd chain. Altogether, we'll need 9 rounds like this. I will make those rounds and then I will show how to make the last one. And now I have finished the 9th round and can start the last one. But before I do, I will hide this end of the thread so that this opening would not become too big when we start starching the ball. With a needle, I'll weave it in, and one more time in the opposite direction. That should be enough. We can cut off the thread. And now to the last round, in which we'll make 20 double crochets. So we'll start with chain 3. This is the first double crochet. And now without chain 5, as we did before, we are moving to the next chain 5 here to the middle of it, and we'll make a double crochet. Moving on to the next one, a double crochet to the next one, a double crochet to the next one, a double crochet to the next one, a double crochet, and keep working like this until you have 20 double crochets. When we have made 20 double crochets, the last thing we need to do is to make a slip stitch here in the 3rd double crochet that we made at the beginning of this round. We considered this chain 3 as the first double crochet. So slip stitch here, and this is it. The ball is ready, almost. The opening on this side is quite big, which is actually very helpful for our purposes, because this is where it will be very easy to insert a balloon. But first of all, you need to make a strong starch solution. If you need to learn how to do that, I have a separate video on starching crocheted items on my channel. So make that starch solution, soak the ball there for a few minutes, wring it out well, and then insert the balloon and blow it like this, and leave it for about 24 hours to dry. After that, the balloon can be taken out, just untied or popped up. Then use thread or ribbon or something like this to make a hanger, and our ball is ready. This is it for now. There are a lot of other videos on my channel. You are welcome to watch them if you want to. And if you want to be informed of all the new developments, please subscribe and push the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.